Alright you guys, sorry to start this vlog early, but good morning, SUP STORMIES, Hailstorm here. I am right now at Pi'iholo, I don't know. I'm at a zipline ranch right now, and we are fully equipped, and we will be ready to go for when I do go ziplining, but a lot of this video will be the ziplining. I don't know how much I'll do after that today. So there'll be a lot of GoPro footage, but I'm super excited, and if you're ready, we shall go.
On your mark. Go!
Woo! Holy crap! We just went ziplining, and as you guys saw a couple of those clips, yay, that was super fun. Then we went to this restaurant right here in I don't know. But now we are going to run to the hotel again, which is like an hour drive. Yay! Hey guys, okay, so it's a lot later now, and I'm very sorry, but a bunch of my family just flew in, and we wanted to get acquainted with everybody, and the whole vlogging thing with family. I don't know how much it'll work, but I'm going to film as much on my own as I can, see if a couple people want to be in the video. Otherwise, that's okay. We can figure out other ways to get good footage for, but it was like 4 when we got here, and then everyone started to file in at like 5:30, and they had gotten off their, they got stuck on their plane till 3, so they landed at 2, got stuck on their plane till 3, then tried to rent cars, and then went shopping for food so everybody could stock up their rooms and stuff like that. I think we have the largest room out of everyone in the family, so we're gonna probably host a couple of later parties and things like that. But other than that, it hasn't been that much of an eventful day. Obviously, I have a bunch of vlog footage from the ziplining, but I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you are enjoying this trip as much as I am. It's just been quite the day, and I'm sorry I didn't get as much interesting footage as I wanted to. I didn't really get the chance to go to the beach or anything like that, but I did get to go ziplining, so I hope you enjoyed all of that stuff, because that was super, super cool. And yeah, I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all had a great day. I know I did, and until next time.
Wait, I want to do the Peace Out story. Peace out, Stormies.